Did you know that a simple mistake or oversight can sometimes lead to a health insurance claim being rejected? It's not about avoiding something scary, but about staying informed and making sure you get the benefits you're entitled to. Today, I am going to share some crucial tips that will help you navigate your insurance claims smoothly and confidently. So hello everyone, welcome to Star Health's YouTube channel, and in today's video we would talk about some important things you should be aware of so that your insurance claim doesn't get rejected. Alright, so let's break this topic into easy steps. First up, know your policy inside out. Sounds basic, right? But you'd be surprised how many people aren't fully aware of what their policy covers. For instance, let's say you have a policy with a coverage for pre-existing conditions, but forget to check the waiting period. If you end up claiming for something related to that condition before the waiting period is over, your claim might be rejected. So read your policy document thoroughly. And if something seems unclear, don't hesitate to ask your insurer. Here's another crucial point. Especially check for specific details that could be vital in the future, for example, midterm inclusions, PEDs, accidents, or any other details which you feel you must check before buying the insurance. So take the time to read through every page of your policy document. If there's anything that's not crystal clear, don't hesitate to reach out to your insurer. It's their job to clarify these details for you. After all, being well informed is the first step towards ensuring your claims are processed smoothly. Secondly, keep all your documents organized. Imagine this, you have just had a surgery and you are feeling overwhelmed. The last thing you want is to scramble for receipts and medical records. Instead, keep everything in one place. Your hospital bills, treatment records, prescriptions, all neatly organized. This not only makes it easier for you, but also helps your insurance company process your claim faster. In my opinion, create a file or folder where you can keep bills from the hospital, medical records, discharge summaries, and prescriptions. A well-organized file or folder can make all the difference. Number 3, inform your insurer promptly. As soon as you know you need to make a claim, let your insurance company know. Delays in informing them can sometimes lead to complications. For example, if you had an emergency surgery and waited too long to notify your insurer, they might question the delay, which could affect your claim. Also, many policies require you to notify them within a certain number of days after the treatment or incident. If you miss this window, your claim could be denied or delayed. Insurers might assume that the delay indicates a lack of urgency or might question whether the treatment was necessary. So the next time you face a situation where you need to make a claim, remember, quick communication with your insurer can help ensure that everything proceeds smoothly and without unnecessary delays. Fourth, follow the claim process carefully. Every insurance company has its own procedure for claims. This might include filling out forms, submitting documents, and sometimes even getting approvals from medical practitioners. Follow each step as outlined by your insurer. Missing a step can delay or even invalidate your claim. Fifth, double-check your bills. Hospitals and clinics can sometimes make errors in billing. It's always a good idea to review your bill for accuracy before submitting them to your insurer. For example, you might find that you were billed for a service you didn't receive or charged incorrectly for medication. Take a moment to review your bills carefully and make sure everything matches your treatment records. This can prevent issues down the line. Sixth, understand your policy's exclusions. Every policy has certain exclusions, things that aren't covered. For instance, some policies might not cover elective procedures or treatments outside the network hospital. Knowing these exclusions can help you avoid surprises when you file a claim. Let's say you have a policy that doesn't cover cosmetic surgeries. If you go in for a procedure that's considered cosmetic, you might end up covering the cost yourself. Being aware helps you plan better. Seventh, use network hospitals whenever possible. Many health insurance policies have a network of hospitals where they have tie-ups. If you use these hospitals, your claim process is usually smoother and quicker. Non-network hospitals might involve more paperwork and long processing times. And lastly, keep track of your claims. Keep copies of all documents you submit and note down your claim reference number. This way, if you need to follow up or check the status of your claim, you have all the information at hand. Alright folks, that's it for today. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a smooth and hassle-free claim process. Remember, the goal is to be prepared and informed so you can make the most out of your health insurance. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips and insights. Stay healthy and see you next time. Thank you.